Hey guys, my name is John Jensen. I'm a small YouTube creator. My channel's at about 150 subs, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite tools for augmenting my videos and sort of helping the image become reality on the screen. Right, so you want to shoot wide angle, powerful, banger shots for your videos, right? And that is through cinematic aerial videography. Now, the first thing you're gonna need is a drone. DJI again makes some of the absolute best drones on the market right now. And I think that they're really sort of the vanguard when it comes to developing the small sort of individual creator type drones, the things that most people can afford, instead of looking at renting out a helicopter to try and get the same shot, which is going to be thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. The Phantom 4 Pro, the V2.0, is like $1,500. Now that sounds like a lot of money, but putting it in comparison to what it would have taken to get the same shot in the 1970s is absolutely ludicrous. There are cheaper options. I use the DJI Spark. It was $550. I got the Fly More combo, and I'm still able to get some absolutely incredible shots. In all sincerity, you guys, $550 is such an incredibly low price to get the shots that I've gotten out of it. So you've got a massive range of products, right? Starting kind of at the DJI Spark without the controller, and then all the way up with DJI to the Inspire or the Matrice. So there are kind of three things that I think are really, really important when you're shooting drone footage. And the first one is slow down. So you can speed a shot up in post if you want, but when you speed up a lot, what'll wind up happening is your gimbal can't quite keep up with the movement of the drone, and then you lose that glassy sort of movement of the image. And you can see that in this shot here. So slow down, right? You're really fighting for just that much better every time. And if you slow down, it'll be so much easier to edit and post because it was there. Now the second thing, right? Plan your shots. The biggest way to avoid winding up without the footage that you needed is to just plan. So again, just like with slowing down, right? With making sure that you're not moving too quickly with the drone in the air, make sure that when you took off, you had a plan. Make sure you know exactly what image you want to capture once you're up in the air. Take a second, make sure you've seen what you want, then use your precious battery time to get the image that you're really looking for. The last thing that I really want to poke at is use the automation in your drone, right? DJI has spent tons and tons of money and time in research and development to make these available to you. Use the automation. Use the things like Follow Me. Use the things like Orbit so that you can get those shots that are just glassy, smooth circles. So what happened here is my buddy that was flying the drone was trying to fly an orbit on an iceberg, but instead of using the smart modes, wound up trying to fly it by hand. So it's really challenging to edit around that. Whereas here, the drone itself was flying this orbit, and that makes it just perfectly smooth. And it's so much better than what we as humans are able to do. Those are my 3 pointers. Slow down, plan your shots, and use the automation. Those are all so important when you're trying to get really professional looking, cinematic, amazing shots. Regardless of how good you are at editing or color corrections and what have you, if you use these 3 steps, you will wind up getting the shots that you want. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel pretty actively this summer. Thanks so much, guys. Take it easy.